are you? I hope you are all fine. Till yesterday what we have completed? We have completed our module 2 in our book, yes children, and lesson number 3 in our textbook. And coming to the module 3 in our workbook. Everyone open your workbooks, children. Be ready with your workbooks. Yes. Now in the workbook, first part is vocabulary. What it is, children? Vocabulary. In vocabulary we are having the suffix. Vocabulary. Vocabulary we have to read suffix. Already I have explained you about the prefix. Yes children. Now I am going to tell about the suffix. Prefix means what, children? Prefix means what it is? Before. At the beginning of the word we will add another word. That is called as prefix. Now coming to the suffix. After, at the end of the word we will add a group of letters or group of a word. A group of letters means a word. Yes children. And it makes a new word and gives the new meaning. Yes children. And the spelling of the new word will be there. Yes, change. The spelling also will be changed. See, for example, digest. It is a base word. I am adding the suffix here. Plus sh, I-O-N. It is now what it is here, children? Digestion. Yes, the word, the meaning is changed here. Digest, digestion. And you can write I-V-E, digestive. You know children, digestive system. In science you will get. Yes. Digestion, digestive. Yes, the changing of the word. When we are adding the suffix to a base word, at the end of the other word, a group of letters we are adding. So it becomes digestive, digestive. Understood children? Digestion, digestive. Whenever we are adding a suffix, a word at the end of the other word, then it becomes a new word. See here. It has so many examples are there. You can do it. Digestion, digestive, productive, production, educate, educative, education, narrate, narrative, narration, narrative children. See here. Protective, protect, protective, production, educate, educative, education. Here see, when we are adding a word, for this one word, I have added two suffixes. See, digest, digestion. I-V-E, digestive. Digestion, digestive. Understood children? Two suffixes for a one word. Then it changes the spelling. Yes children? Now see here. Suffix less and able. We can add less and able. See. Painless, less, painless. What it is children? Painless. See here. Depend plus able, dependable. What it is? Dependable, dependable. Yes children. Here see, pain plus less, painless. Depend plus able, dependable. Yes children. Now it is the suffix less and able. 2.1 is about I-V-E and I-O-N. I and shen. See here children, 2.2. You should complete. You should match the balloons. In the balloons they have given the words. And you should match the correct suffix to it. Portable, hopeless, likeable, reply. What you will tell? Reliable, harmless, helpless. Like this you should match the balloons to the given suffix. Understood children? See here you should do the 2.1 with the shen word and I-V-E. Digestion. Yes. And coming to the less able, less and able. You should use this less and able to the base word and you should complete the words. Understood children? Now you should complete your 2.1 and 2.2. Okay? Do it. Now grammar part. We have completed vocabulary. Yes? In vocabulary what we have done? Suffixes. Suffixes means children what? At the end of the word we should add a group of letters. That is called a suffix. It changes the new. It becomes a new word. Yes? Now coming to the grammar part. In the grammar, singular and plural nouns. What is singular noun and plural noun children? See here one paragraph he has given. You should see in this. You should see what is the singular and what is the plural noun. Can you draw the stars over them? You can draw the stars. Once upon a time there lived a baker named Jim. He baked delicious bread and cakes that were famous across many cities. The rich and the famous came from far and wide in their coaches to buy cakes and loaves of bread from him. Jim loved his customers. He gave them candies and balloons. See here what is singular and plural. You can identify here what are the plural nouns. What are the singular nouns? Many plural nouns. Here you should make it star for the plural nouns. See here cakes. Cakes. Here we have added for the cake. Yes, it is a plural. See here children, now I will show you. It is what it is. One page. What we will tell this? This as a page we will tell. Yes children. Now I am taking here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this I am taking. Now what you will tell this? Pages. We are having one book. Means what you will tell? Book. We are having 2, 3 books means what you will tell? Books. Yes children, this is the difference between singular and plural nouns. Singular means one, plural means more than one. Understood children? See here. Now I will tell this is a bangle. One bangle. Yes. I am having two and in the two hands. Yes. What I will tell this is bangles. These are bangles. What it is? Bangles. These are bangles. Yes children. One means bangle. I am having more. So you will tell as bangles. What you will tell? Bangles. Now coming to the grammar part. See. Singular and plural nouns. See the revised exercise you should do. I read the paragraph, no passage. You should make it the star for the plural nouns. I said now what are plural nouns? Yes, plural nouns are the more than one. Cake, cakes. Yes, balloons, candies. These are the plural nouns. See here, other bakers discussed whether so much paragraph is there. You should read and make it star for the plural nouns. Your duty is to do that. Your work is to do that. Understood? Now see, plural of many nouns are formed by adding s to the end of the words. Now how I said cake, we added s here, cakes. And for some words which ends with these letters, see, x, o, s, ch, sh and ss. For these, the words which ends with these letters, these words, you can tell. The word which ends with X, the word which ends with O, the word which ends with S, the word which ends with CH, the word which ends with SH, and the word which ends with SS. For these we will add the and ES. We will add ES. What it is? See, tax. We will add ES. It becomes taxes. It becomes taxes. See here, buffalo. Yes, it ends with which letter children? O. I will add here ES. What it becomes? Buffaloes. Understood? And for some plurals, the word which ends with Y. The word which ends with Y. What I will do here? I will add IES. What I will add children? IES. I will add IES. How it is here? Family. Family. I will remove this Y and I will add FAMILIES. Families. Yes children, whenever the word which ends with Y, we will drop the Y and add the IES. We will drop the Y. Drop the Y means we will remove the Y and we will add IES. Understood children? And for some words which ends with FE, we will drop the F and FE and we will add VE. We will change F and FE to VE and we will add S to it. And add S to it. What it is here? Knife. KNIFE, knife. Here I am removing VE, FE and I will add VES. What it becomes? Knives. What it becomes children? Knives. And for some cases it will not change. It will be same as it is but we just add S. Yes children, see here. ROOF, roof. Yes, I will add here just S. Roofs. Understood children? This is about the plural forms. And coming to the next part. Here some plurals will not change. Some singular nouns, when it changes to plural, it will not change its words. It will not add any other letter also. What are that? See. Sheep. We will add anything here? We will not add anything. Just we will write sheep. Fish, we will write just fish. Understood children? And here irregular plurals. Tooth, it becomes to teeth. See here, tooth. The OO changes to EE and we will write teeth. Understood children? Like this. Goose, geese, foot, feet, die, dice. Yes. See here page number 36. Mouse, mice, cactus, cacati, woman, woman, person, people, ox, oxen, man, men, child, children, medium, media. See here exercise 3.1. Tick the correct plural forms of the nouns from the options given in the brackets. You should do that. Yes children, now 3.2 also. Rewrite the sentence by changing the singular nouns into their plural forms. Make changes to the sentence so that they are grammatically correct. One is done for you here. Already they have done one. You should do the other words. Yes, children. Smita went to the dentist to get her tooth checked. Here, Smita went to the dentist. Dentist. Spelling will, what it is? Dentist. Plural form you should change. To get her tooth. Tooth. You should see here. Tooth means what we should write, children? Teeth. Yes, like this you should complete it. Teeth checked. See, the girl chased the goose away. For goose, what you will write? Geese. Yes, children? Singular nouns to the plural nouns you should change. Yes, this person is protesting against the president. Person. Person becomes to people. This people. These. Here, this becomes to these. These people are protesting against the presidents. The child was playing their toy car. The children were playing with their toy cars. Here see the children, children. Was, were. Past form is there no? Should change it. Yes, children. Have playing with their toy cars. Okay. See, fifth and sixth you do it. And now coming to the countable and uncountable nouns. See here, countable. Countable and uncountable. What it is, children? Countable and uncountable. In the previous fourth class you have learnt. Yes. See, a countable means which we can count by a number. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now book we can count by 1, 2, 3, 4. We can count. Yes, children. And coming to the uncountable, which we can't count. Which we can't count by a number. What is that which we can't? We can count water, 1 water, 2 water. No, we can't count water. You can count the rice, 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice. No, we will measure that. Rice, water, everything we will measure. But the things which we can count by a number, they are called as countable. Which we can't count by a number, they are called uncountable. See, in a singular form or a plural form that we can count, it is called as a countable, no? Then we use a, an and one for the singular countable nouns. First here, we will use for a and one for the singular noun countable nouns, and any, many, few. This we will write for the numbers greater than 1 before plural countable nouns. We will count plural countable nouns, we will write like this. Singular countable nouns, we will use these words. Many nouns such as names of material like plastic, food items, I said rice, resources, abstract ideas, love, happiness, information cannot be counted. They are called uncountable nouns. What you will write here, we will not use these words before the uncountable nouns. We will use some, any, see, some, any, and a lot of, a bag of, a lot of, a bag of, a bottle of. Yes, like this we will use the uncountable nouns. Before the uncountable nouns we will use that. Less, much, like this we will use the words before the uncountable nouns. One thing remember, children, countable means which we can count by a number. Uncountable means which we can't count by a number. Okay, now see here, uncountable nouns can be made into a countable nouns. See here, now rice, it is an uncountable noun. Yes, but we can make it as a countable noun. How? We can write here 3 packets of rice. 3 packets of rice. Rice is what, children? Uncountable noun. When we are adding 3 packets of rice, it becomes a countable noun. What it becomes, children? It becomes countable noun. See here, uncountable nouns can be also changed into a countable nouns. See, pieces of jewelry, I said no. Now 3 packets of rice, 2 bottles of water. Yes, like this we can change the uncountable nouns into countable nouns. Now 3.3. Write whether the given nouns are countable or uncountable. See here, they have given in the box some words. Then that words what you should do, you should sort it out into the proper boxes. Countable or uncountable noun. Countable, what are the countable nouns from these? Fire, men, food, spectacle, cups of coffee, sunshine. Which is the countable? Men can be countable. And fire, uncountable. Food, uncountable. Spectacles, countable. Cups of coffee, countable. Sunshine, uncountable. Understood, children? Now we have proper idea of a countable and uncountable nouns. Yes. Now read the sentence given below and write whether the common nouns are countable or uncountable. There may be more than one noun in each sentence. One is done. See. Seema spread jam on the bread. Here only you should see the common nouns. Common nouns means what, children? The general names given to a people, thing, animal. Yes, children, place. See here. Jam, uncountable. Bread, uncountable. We can't count one bread, two bread. We can count the bread as a one slice, two slice. Yes, children. One loaf. Like this we can count. Do you think the cat drank the milk? Here, cat is a common. Milk is a common. Which is the countable and uncountable, children? Cat is countable. Milk is uncountable. Yes. Pass me some sugar, please. Here, sugar. Countable or uncountable? Uncountable. Don't make noise. The baby is sleeping. Noise, uncountable. Baby can be counted. Anish served them some tea. Tea is uncountable or countable, children? Yes, uncountable. See here. Tea we can't count it. Yes, children? Now coming to, he fried the vegetables in oil. Vegetables can be counted. Yes? 1 tomato, 2 tomato, 3 tomatoes. And it can be measured also, 1 kg, 2 kg. Yes, children. Now oil. It can be countable or uncountable. It can be countable or... Now oil. It can be uncountable. It can't be counted. It can just measure. 1 kg, 2 kg, like this we can measure. So oil is a uncountable noun. Yes, children. Now do it, children. Everyone should complete 2.1, 2.2. Vocabulary part 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3 and 3.4. Grammar part. Very easy. Singular and plurals, countable and uncountables. You know the children. What is singular and plural? Singular means one. Plural means more than one. Yes, children. And coming to the countable, which can be counted by a number, it is a countable noun. Which we can't count by a number, it is an uncountable noun. Understood, children? Everyone, see, this you should complete. Today we have done our vocabulary part and grammar part. Yes, children, vocabulary, what we have done? We have learned in the vocabulary part suffix. A word which is a group of letters added to another word at the end of the word. At the end of the word, we are adding the another word. It changes the new, it becomes a new word. That is called suffix. Yes, children, which we are adding to at the end of the base word is called as a suffix. And coming to the singular and plural, singular means one, plural means more than one. Yes, children, this is the word singular and plural. Countable, which we can count by number, is called countable, which we can't count by a number, it is called as uncountable. Yes, children. Now see here, you should complete 2.1, 2.2 in the vocabulary part, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4 in your grammar part. Yes, in your workbooks. Complete these all. Okay, children? Complete your work, children. Thank you.